Hello kids, now we will make the Rakhi with the help of flowers that are made from cloth. So for that we need a cloth piece, needle and thread, ribbon or kalava, 2 circles of radius 2.5 cm and stones, beads or thermocol balls. So first we will take a circle of 2.5 cm and then we will trace it on the cloth that you have. So cloth can be any old one that you have at your home. You can use any type of cloth. So we will trace it and then we will fold it so that we can cut the circles, like many circles at a time. We will be requiring 6 circles. So you can cut all the 6 all together, or you can cut 2 circles or 3 circles. It depends on the thickness of the cloth. So cut the circles very properly because the cloth will move here and there. You need to hold it very tightly. So now I have the 6 circles. I'll take the first circle and then I'll fold it into half. Then again I will fold it like a cone. Now I'll take a needle with the thread and then I will sew into the cloth. Now like this we have to do 6 petals, like 6 circles. We have to fold it like that and then with the help of a needle we need to sew it. So we will be doing 6 petals. As all the 6 petals are done, so I will now first stretch the thread and then I will tuck the first petal with the last one. I'll tie it properly and then the flower is made. Now for the thread we will be requiring ribbon. So with the ribbon we will make a braid. We will take 3 long strings of the ribbon. We will tie a knot on the top and then we'll start braiding it. And when we are braiding we have to be very particular, like it should be tight, not loose. While braiding, just put your one thumb on the top so that it can't get loose. Like this we will do the full ribbon as we have done. So it is very long, so we will cut from this how much we need for the thread. According to the wrist we will cut it and then again we will tie a knot at the other end. Now we will take the midpoint of the thread and then we will stick the flower in between the thread. So for that we will be needing 2 small circles. So first we will stick the circle at the back of the flower and then we will place the thread and then again we will place the other circle. So you need little more Fevicol here because the thread is very thick. So to get it sticked on this, we need more Fevicol. Now at the last, we'll place one more circle of cloth the same color so that it should not look bad. So we'll take a small circle and then we'll put some Fevicol on it, little bit, not too much, and press it tightly. Now keep it for some time so that the thread may paste it up there, and then we can put some beads or the thermocol balls in the middle of the flower, and the Rakhi is ready.